Okay, so I was looking for a new immersion blender because my plastic one broke, and even though it was a good brand, it just did not hold up to my use. And then I came across this hefty immersion blender, and man, this thing is awesome. So you can see the blade there. Everything here is made out of metal. So I know this thing is heavy duty. You can control the different speeds right here. And I like how it lights up to let you know, hey, it's plugged in. And you can run it on turbo speed. This is the button you use to turn it on. So you hold it down. So it is a bit loud, but it is super powerful. And then this is if you want it on turbo speed. Super fast. All right, and then if you wanted to whisk and whisk really well, you can put this attachment on. So this part is plastic up here, and then you have your wire whisk. And it's really simple to put it on. Just make sure you unplug it first before you twist this part off, and then attach that one on. So really awesome, high-powered hand blender. This is seriously the fastest I have experienced, and I'm not worried about it cutting out on me like my other ones have, and you can make all the awesome stuff you want to make with it.